Hey friends, it's that time again. It is time for a cash stuffing, so let's get right into it. This is going to be, what, the first paycheck of February? February 2026? Is that, like, real? Okay, let's check rollover. I have this $10 over to the side. I took this out to reimburse myself when I did my sinking funds count up, and I literally never put it in my wallet, but this is part of the rollover. Yes, I could have just left it in the envelope because, you know, really this is going to get funneled into savings challenges, which then mostly go into my sinking funds, but I just wanted to take it out and play more with my challenges. This is the money for the cash stuffing. Oh, I feel like my words are just like I can't, my brain is not braining. Okay, that's the cash. Let's count that in a second, but let's see if we have any change. No, I have not emptied out the change jar. And at this point, I should just stop saying that because I think I should just keep it going. Okay, looks like we have a bunch of change. Lots of quarters, which is great. And I think I have a bag of quarters in my car, maybe. I took out like $3 or $4 in quarters. I took that out of this to take my old car to the car wash to vacuum it, and we never went because it was just so cold out. And then we sold the car. So I have to find those quarters and put them back in here. This is getting insanely heavy. But yeah, I have to locate those because I feel like actually they might be in the bag of stuff that I took out of the car. If you guys like have ever bought a car, do you know what I mean? Like, we had so much crap in that car, and literally it was like 2 tote bags full. And I put back what I wanted to put back in the new car, but I didn't want to get the new car like loaded up with junk, so I tried to be like minimal about it. So I have to now take the bag of crap and find somewhere to put that. The remaining bag of crap that I didn't put back in my car. Okay, this looks like a decent amount, so let's see what we have here. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 118. Love that for me. And if you guys notice, it's a lot more change now because I told you guys I'm trying to spend the 20s first so that I actually have change for myself instead of just, you know, having all 20s in rollover. And that looks like I did a pretty good job there. So this is going to go to the side, and that's going to go towards savings challenges. Let's count what we have. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So 240 for the cash stuffing, and let's get the planner out. Okay, this is the budget planner created by me. It is linked below in my description box as well as in my Amazon storefront. You can purchase it on Amazon if you're interested. And you guys, it's a new month, so we have to put our month sticker on our month. This planner is undated, and all of my other planners are undated as well, but for this one I chose to leave off the month headers. Because if you wanted to start this not in January, for example, like me, I started in November. I just thought you'd want to start from the beginning of the book versus the middle. So like, you know, every other planner has the month headings, and this time, you know, I left them off. Okay, so February. So what I did was I created these stickers that are available in my Etsy shop. They kind of match the vibe of the planner. And so if you wanted to get your little heading stickers or month stickers, you know, that's a separate thing in my Etsy shop. And then it comes with this really cool bonus sticker here. Okay, so that is done. Let's put this back on here. I have to keep these in the front and clipped to the binder, otherwise I will absolutely lose them. But let's fold back to February here. I'm using my awesome paper clip. This is not a paper clip. What is this? Bookmark from Danny at Craft Co Budgets, love that. And we're not doing a whole lot. So let's see, $80 goes to my mom, 20, 40, 60, 80. And let me actually get my other debt planner out. This is my Destroy That Debt. It's a debt payoff tracker, and I do keep track of every payment I make to my mom. I owe her a ton of money. And I do keep track of that here in this planner. This has enough space for, I think, 12 debts. It has some trackers in the front, and then for each debt, you put the name of it here, whether it's a credit card, loan, whatever. You have some information here that you could fill out, and then here's where you track all of your payments, as you could see how I have been doing. Another page to track all that, and then each debt has its own little savings challenge as well, so you can kind of keep track visually of how far you are into paying it off. I will admit I haven't been keeping up with the savings challenge as much, but I do write every payment down because that's important. And then you have a notes sheet for every debt as well. So today is February 5th, and you're gonna see this tomorrow, so happy Friday. And we're paying $80, and we still owe $1 billion. 79.75 minus 80. No, 79.75 minus 80 is 78.95, and that is our balance so far. Okay, so we're finished with this. This has been super helpful for me to track my payoff. And let's go back to this. So right off the top, $80, like I said, goes to my mom. Let me actually label that because you guys know I forget everything. So that we could check off. And I am going over to her house for dinner tonight, so hopefully I remember to bring that and give that to her. Okay, we're doing literally just $150 for the wallet and $10 to vacation. And I think we're gonna do just $10 of real cash this time because I had to take an uneven amount out of the ATM. So let's see, $150 for the wallet, and then $80 is $230. Yeah, and I took $240 out because you can only take increments of 20. So we'll just do this vacation stuffing in real cash versus putting the extra 10 in savings challenges. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so let's see, vacay. Should I do it in the sinking fund or the savings challenge? What are we even working on for the savings challenge? I feel like I have an IOU in here. Let's see. Ooh, I do. I have an IOU of 9. So I could pay that, or I could just, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this out, take this 10 out, and put a 20 in. And I'm going to leave the IOU, and then I'm going to put, wait, I'm going to put $10 here in the front. So when I do my savings challenge stuffing, I will add an extra 10. Okay, I was confusing myself and probably confusing you too. So I added the 10, okay, but instead of scratching something, I'm just gonna wait until the savings challenge video because these are huge numbers. I'll probably, actually, I will definitely have an IOU. Well, most definitely. And this way, whatever I put in here in my savings challenge stuffing, I'll just add an extra 10 to it. Hopefully that makes sense. So that is done. And then we literally just have the money for the wallet. Is that it? So this should be $150, 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 40, 50. Yeah, $150. That's it. Super duper short one today. If you didn't catch my sinking funds totals, check that out. I talked all about the new car that we just purchased. I showed a picture and everything. We're loving it so far. And that's it, you guys. Literally the shortest video ever, probably. But I'm so grateful that you watched till the end. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in the savings challenge video.